In this video, we'll be telling about one browser that will help you to get free cryptocurrencies for using this browser. Most of you must be knowing about this browser. I'm talking about Brave browser. In Brave browser, you will get bad cryptocurrencies for free. Anyways, you need to install this application. App link is given in the description. It is available in Apple phones and Android phones. Anyways, after installing this application, open this application. This is the app. After opening this application, what you need to do is, here you can see a sign like this. Click on this sign. When you are clicking on that, you can see some options. Here you can see balance. Now it is showing 0. Anyways, down here you can see settings button. Click on this settings. When you are clicking on that, you will reach a new page like this. Here some options are there. Here you can see Brave private ads. By default, this will be turned off. You can turn this on. If you are turning this on, you will receive some ads in your smartphone. You need to just click on that link and a page will be opened, and if you want, you can exit from there only. And for seeing that ad, you will get bad coins for free. And here some more options are there. Here you can see one settings option. Click on this button. When you are clicking on that, here they are asking for how much ads they should show. Here it is shown as up to 10 ads per hour. If you want to change, you can change that. If you want only 1 ad per hour, you can set to up to 1 ad per hour. Anyways, I am setting to 10 ads per hour. After that, ads will come. For example, one ad has came. Just click on this ad and you can see some ads, and after this you can close this ad. Now here you can see ads received this month is 2. And down here some more options are there. Auto contribute and contributions. It's better to turn off this, because if you are turning this on, some of your Brave coins will go to other accounts because you are agreeing to contribute. If you don't want to contribute, it's better to turn off. Here you can see next payment date. It is shown as 8th October. And one thing is that payment will be done every month. Here you can see next payment date. And to get this bad coin, what you need to do is, here you can see connect option. Just click on this connect, and here you can see 2 accounts, Uphold and Gemini. You need to log into either of these accounts to get your bad coin. And to earn bad coin, one more feature is there. Search for Brave Publisher. When you're searching for that, you can see a result like this. Click on this result. When you're clicking on that, first you need to log in. To log in, just give your email ID and one verification mail will be sent to your email. When you're clicking on that, your account will be verified, and after that you can see a page like this. Here so many options are there. If you want, you can add website or YouTube channel. Here you can see add channel option. Just click on that. Here you can add website or YouTube channel. If you are adding your website or YouTube channel, if anyone is contributing bad coin, you will get some bad coins for that also. So that way also you can earn bad coins. And one more thing is that this browser is not just for getting bad coin. This is very good browser. I think that in this browser, ads are comparatively very less. When we are opening any websites, pop-up ads and other ads are very less. So that's also a good thing. Anyways, this is about Brave browser. Using this browser, you can get bad cryptocurrencies for free. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.